Hello all, welcome to Binary Programming. In this video, we will solve the third challenge of Apex Testing Module or Developer Beginner. The name of the challenge is Create Test Data for Apex Test. So let's move to the challenge. So in this challenge, we need to create an Apex class called Random Contact Factory, and it should be in the public scope. The purpose of this random class is to generate contacts. The information about the class is given to us. It should have about generate random contacts method, which should be the return type of the method should be list of contact. It should be public static method, and it should have two parameters. One is the integer number, which will include the number of contacts which needs to be generated, and the second is the last name of the contacts which needs to be generated. So the first name of the contact should be test1, test2 up to the n. So let's move to the org and create this Apex class. So in the org, we are going to the developer console, and in the developer console we are going to create a new class. So file, new, Apex class. The name of the Apex class is given to us. It is random contact factory. I copy it from here and paste it here. So this will create the class for us. Now this class is should be public in the scope, so it is public in the scope by default. Now we need to create a method in it, and the method should be public static, and the return type of the method should be list of contact. So let's create a method inside this class. So the method should be public static, and the return type should be list of contact, and the name of the method is generate random contacts. So here the method is created. So inside this method we are going to create a list which we are going to return from this method. Let's say the name should be the contact list is equals to new list of contact, should be list of contact. So this is created. This method have two parameters. One is the integer value, and the other one is a string value called the last name. Now what we are going to do is we need to make a for loop and iterate it. So it is integer I is equals to 1, I is less than or equals to num, the parameter which is coming, and I plus plus. Inside the for loop we are going to create the contact. Ct is equals to new contact, and here the first name should be in this format which is given to us. It should be test1, test2 till the test n. So it should be test space plus of I, and the last name is given to us in the form of the parameter. So we'll copy it from here and paste it here. So this is it. We have created a contact. Now what we are going to do is we need to insert this contact into the list. So we are going to make it list dot add ct. So we have added the contact into the list. Now finally what we are going to do is we need to return this list. So we are going to return this contact list from this method. So we have completed this class. We have created a method which have two parameters, number and last name. We are iterating from 1 till the number, and we are creating contact accordingly, and we are returning the contact list which we have created. So this is done. We have created the class. Now let's test whether we have done it correct or not. So yes, we have completed the challenge as well as the module. See you guys in the next video with a new challenge. Thank you.